joining us for another road trip adventure. As we leave the dusty high country, we decided to cut our trip home in half. So we packed up and headed north. Stick with us to see this fantastic free camp that we accidentally came across. We do a bit of cooking and talk about life as we do. So Steve seems to be taking me down the old beaten track.
Bath again.
Yeah. Where are we going? Oh, let's find out. Really don't know where we're going. Heaps of sheep. Country New South Wales.
Full of surprises.
Yes, full of surprises. So we were just driving. Do you know where we are?
It's just on the old Hume Highway.
And this seems to be a free camp. It is on Wiki Camps. And we just went over a little bridge.
Some water down there.
We'll get out and have a little look. So this is where we're camping. There's a bridge that we just came over. And I think this is the Murrumbidgee River. And we have this gorgeous tree that we're not going to camp under. And this is a free camp, and it is on Wiki Camps. And there's some dead wood, so we'll probably use that rather than take our supply off the caravan. What do you think, Steve?
Yeah, awesome.
And best part is free and no one's here, and this is Easter Saturday. So I can't believe our luck sometimes. Anyway, you got to get out there to find places like this. And we didn't plan this, we just happened to be driving past and checked it on Wiki, and it said, yeah, stay there. All right, let's get into our afternoon. So this is the lovely bridge we went over before. They're building a new one here. I'll put up the Wiki Camp entry that I found that told me that it's a free camp just here on the side of the road. Nobody's here. I think it came up as Cootamundra. Steve thinks we're close to Wagga Wagga. So just to give you an idea. But we're stoked. Would you camp by yourself in a place like this? Let me know in the comments below. I mean, you always feel brave in the day, but I think we will feel very happy to be here tonight. It is a lovely, lovely spot. Look, I think we are so lucky in New South Wales. There are so many options for camping and that are free. And if you're brave enough to do it by yourself, well, there's two of us, then wow, you're very lucky. And I also think it's awesome that we have a little ensuite on board. So we do have a toilet and a shower, and that is a game changer for camping. So nice to wake up in the morning and have a shower and not be busting to get over to a loo because it's right there. Now this is our 4th night and we do have a cassette toilet. I thought I'd bring this up. We actually still have plenty of room. Not sure about the composting. Let me know. What's your favourite? A composting or a cassette toilet? Somehow we've been pretty lucky. Ours doesn't smell. But that's because Steve and I smell like roses. Anyway, we've been together a long time. We're used to our own aroma. Anyway, I'm following him around here to show you our lovely camp spot for our campfire. And that beautiful tree. I hope I can capture the night and the stars. It is pretty lovely. And then over here is the river. And there's beautiful parrots and lorikeets flying around. It's really good. There's no pictures on Wiki Camp, so I think I'm going to add some. Very special indeed. I love them. We are not alone. Mother Nature is with us here. We're just going to have a simple roast, nice and easy. Okay, so we're just having a traditional roast. We've got 2 little foil trays to cook in our camp oven. The veggies have been on for about half an hour, and Steve just put a chili and garlic rub, I think, on our meat. Look at that. This is what camping's all about. Love a good roast. I don't think this will pick it up, but there's a fox. Oh, just walking in the distance over there. Wish we had a better torch.
He's just stuck down.
I'll turn the torch. Oh. Yeah, no, he just stuck down. We're just going to check our roast. But we might be a bit dusty, but we've been sitting here listening to Manfred Snowy River soundtrack. And oh my gosh, because where we are is so beautiful, and listening to that pretty music. How are we going? Oh, they've shrunk a little bit. They look like rissoles. I think I don't know. What do you think? You're the medium rare guy.
I think the veggies.
Yeah, they're cooked.
Yeah, I'd almost like to just to sear the meat, take it off and put it on the trivet.
Okay, go for it. And there we have a lovely roast dinner. Bon appetit, my darling. Alrighty, we're having a lovely night watching shooting stars. Anyway, I'm going to do a dessert to follow that delicious roast. And I've got some chocolate hot cross buns, and I'm going to make sort of like a bread and butter pudding for it. And we're going to cook this in the camp oven. So all I need is eggs, milk, vanilla essence, brown sugar, and I don't have cocoa, but I do have a hot chocolate satchel, so I'm going to add that for a little extra chocolate hit. But I'm going to actually slice my hot cross bun in half and butter it and put jam on it. Then I'm going to pop it in this little baking dish and then pour the other stuff on top, and we'll bake it like that. Should be good. So Steve's just getting the coals ready. That's our little pudding. It's a chocolate Easter pudding. And I've got our lovely niece's homemade jam in the middle. Thank you, Claire. I can't wait to try this. I haven't cooked this via a camp ovens, but I think it's going to be delicious.
Mm.
Oh, I think that's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look at that. Bit of the custard around it. I've got dollop cream to serve. I think that's perfect.
It's pretty good.
All right.
It smells so good. Hot.
Pretty good.
That's so good.
It's interesting because it's a gluten-free chocolate hot cross bun.
Mm.
I'd like to try it with just your standard, or maybe an apple cinnamon one. Yummo. Anyway,
I'll try as many as you want.
All right. Well, I think I'll say good night.
Mm.
What about you?
Good night.
So sadly, we're heading home. This has been such a beautiful spot, free, and there's plenty of camping down the end there too. And we had this all to ourselves on the long weekend of Easter. So, like, quite incredible. Anyway, since I love this place so much, I'm going to leave a little painted stone. There's heaps of sheep as you drive in here, and I think this is quite appropriate. I'm going to leave it. Oh, someone left the can up on the here. This is where I wanted to leave it, so that's a good spot for it. Just there. So if you come here, look us up, Gibbo's Road Trip Adventures, and let me know that you found our painted stone. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and also look us up on Facebook. We've now got a page on Facebook as well as Instagram. So before we go home, we're going to check out a place we were thinking about coming to, but then we found that other spot. This is Sandy Beach Reserve. It's a free camp run by Junee Shire Council. And no fires allowed during a total fire ban, or other times all fires must be lit in a permanently constructed fireplace. What else is here? Okay, no shooting. No water skiing, no littering, no dogs. Oh, dog litter must be picked up.
Dogs allowed down the bottom.
Oh, okay, there you go. For the dog lovers, there you go. So let's have a look what this is like. I know it'll be pretty special. I'd imagine it'll be pretty busy.
Yeah. There's a tractor up there to the right. Yeah, there's a couple of people here.
There's also toilets here. I think I saw 3 that look well constructed. So you're just going to turn around. There is a boat ramp. So if you've got a tinny or something more, but no water skiing. Nice and grassy. Just avoid those big gum trees, camping under them. I just want to take this opportunity to thank everybody for your beautiful messages that you sent through from our last video. I also want to thank all those that have now registered as a good SAM via the app. What a wonderful thing that is, that you are making yourself available should someone nearby need help. And also a huge shout out to those that have actually bought the defibrillators from Defibrillator Australia. this is just amazing. This is the legacy that they wanted to follow, and you are helping them with that by getting more defibrillators out there in Australia. You guys absolutely rock. Thank you so much. Anyway, from that, I'll say thanks for watching.